Did you know that Windows Update can write hundreds of gigabytes to your SSD every month? Most people think SSD where only comes from installing games or copying large files. But background downloads, update caches, telemetry logs, and automatic maintenance tasks can quietly increase the amount of data written to your drive. Now don't panic. Modern SSDs are built to handle a lot of writes, but if you're using a low-end laptop, these adjustments can help reduce unnecessary writes and keep your drive healthy for longer. Let's get started. Windows Update is important. You should never disable updates completely. They provide security fixes, bug fixes, and performance improvements. However, Windows doesn't simply download an update and install it. Before installation, the operating system creates temporary files, stores update packages, performs verification checks, creates logs, and sometimes creates restore points. All of this activity generates write operations on your SSD. On systems with limited storage, these background tasks can happen repeatedly, especially when updates fail, pause and resume, or require multiple installation attempts. The goal is not to stop updates. The goal is to reduce unnecessary background activity surrounding them, because every unnecessary write is still a write. And over years of use, those writes add up. The first setting to check is delivery optimization. This feature allows Windows to share update files with other devices. Think of it like peer-to-peer downloading. Here's how to disable it. Open Settings, select Windows Update. Click Advanced Options. Open Delivery Optimization. Turn off Allow downloads from other PCs. That's it. Now your PC will only download updates directly from Microsoft. This reduces unnecessary network activity and can reduce extra storage operations related to caching update data. While you're here, click Advanced Options. Limit the amount of bandwidth used for background downloads. This can help prevent Windows from aggressively downloading updates when you're actively using your PC. Before we continue, the next adjustment can reduce a surprising amount of background disk activity. Most users never check it. Storage Sense is designed to clean temporary files automatically. The feature itself is useful, but some configurations can trigger frequent scans. To adjust it, open Settings, go to System, select Storage, open Storage Sense. Instead of running automatically every day, set it to run monthly. You can also disable automatic cleanup of your downloads folder if you prefer. This reduces unnecessary scanning activity and gives you more control over when maintenance occurs. Remember, Storage Sense is not bad. The goal is simply to prevent excessive automation, especially on systems with slower SSDs. Windows often creates restore points before major updates. This is useful because it gives you a recovery option if something goes wrong, but some systems allocate too much storage for restore data. To check this, press Windows plus S-type Create Restore Point. Open the result. Select your system drive, click Configure. Look at the maximum usage setting. Reducing it slightly can prevent Windows from storing excessive restore data. Do not disable System Restore completely. Many users regret doing that after a bad update. Instead, use a reasonable storage limit. This keeps the protection while reducing unnecessary storage consumption. Windows collects diagnostic information to improve reliability. Most users don't need the highest diagnostic level available. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Select Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off optional diagnostic data. You can also disable tailored experiences if you don't use them. This won't eliminate all telemetry, but it can reduce background logging activity, and every little reduction helps, particularly on older systems that are already struggling with storage performance. The best way to protect your SSD isn't guessing. It's monitoring. Use tools like CrystalDiskInfo. Check your SSD health periodically. Pay attention to total host writes, also known as total bytes written. If you notice unusually large increases every week, something may be generating excessive disk activity. This helps you catch problems early, instead of discovering them years later. So let's recap. Disable delivery optimization. Optimize Storage Sense. Limit restore point storage, reduce optional telemetry, and monitor SSD health regularly. These simple changes won't perform miracles, but they can reduce unnecessary write activity and help your SSD stay healthy longer. If you found this useful, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.